Hi, I'm Dr. Matt. I'm one of the most experienced MCAT tutors in the country. I've been teaching the MCAT for over 10 years. If the MCAT is a barrier to you getting to your white coat dreams, or if you just want to set out on your best foot, I'm here to help you know that this is a conquerable exam and it can become not a barrier, but your best asset. Working with me is really different than working with any other MCAT company or MCAT tutor. I don't just focus on telling students what content they know or don't know, or giving them a cookie cutter schedule to follow like every other pre-med. Instead, I teach content and strategy approaches that enable you to be successful on your own. If you need me there to show you the content, I can. And if you want to set out on your own with these skills and techniques, I equip you to do this in an incredibly efficient and thorough way. I remember graduating from undergrad and with my honors level undergrad thinking that I was a great student and I would do great on the MCAT, only to find that it was really strange and unusually challenging. So I reverse engineered it. I figured out how the test writers thought and how they challenged students with contextual questions and odd wording, and how they used trick answers to get people distracted from the correct answer. And bit by bit, I realized this test is completely doable, and I ended up scoring close to 100th percentile with 2 100th percentile sections on my MCAT. This, of course, opened lots of doors. It helped me get interview invites at nearly every medical school that I applied to, and it helped me get multiple medical school acceptances, early acceptances, and a scholarship offer. Now that I'm a doctor, I look back on it and I want more students to have this similar experience. And so I have never stopped having a passion to teach the MCAT. I have been a national MCAT tutor. I have been a national MCAT consultant for some big name MCAT companies. I have been a practice material reviewer and question writer. And I really know this test like the back of my hand. And I use that to help you understand not just the content and the science, but to understand the test from the inside out. If the MCAT is the last thing standing between you and your white coat dream, get in touch today, and I'm happy to set up a plan with you so that you can conquer this exam and make it your best asset. We will talk about your prior study methods. If you're a retaker, we'll talk about what you may have done right and what you may need to do better on this time, so that schools can see when those admissions committees open your application that you got mastery over the MCAT. If you need help on personal statement review, application review, or mock medical school interviews, I'm here for that as well. Let me know, and let's help you put your best foot forward. This has been Dr. Matt. Excited to see you cross that finish line and chase that white coat.
Master the MCAT. Become the boss.